Shift4Shop review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're building an online store, Shift4Shop promises a complete e-commerce solution, but is it really the all-in-one platform it claims to be? One of the biggest pros is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking all online store platforms are the same. Shift4Shop provides customizable templates, a drag-and-drop builder, and options for product variations, discounts, and inventory management. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced store owners. Another advantage is its built-in features. Unlike some platforms that require third-party apps, Shift4Shop offers integrated payment processing, email marketing tools, SEO optimization, and customer management. This can save time and reduce costs when setting up a new store. Platform also supports multiple sales channels, including social media and marketplaces, helping businesses expand their reach. Real-time analytics and reporting provide insights into sales performance and customer behavior. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can feel outdated compared to competitors like Shopify. Advanced features often require a learning curve, and the free plan has limitations that may push users toward paid subscriptions. Customer support is helpful but can be slower during peak times. In conclusion, Shift4Shop is a versatile platform that combines flexibility, built-in tools, and multi-channel support. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful, new users may need time to fully understand all features and optimize their store effectively. For anyone looking to launch an online store without relying heavily on third-party apps, Shift4Shop offers a solid solution, but patience and learning are key to getting the best results.